We're here sa Tayaba City. Mayroon tayo ditong farm na mayroong modern vacation house. So this is 5,900 square meter farm. Mayroong pig pens, fully fenced na rin, and may pathway. So as you can see, napakalinis nitong farm. May mga concrete post na din, pwede mong lagyan ng fence kung gusto nyo pang dagdagan. May water source and may other pens din dito. Pwedeng pinaglalagyan nila ng kambing, and may chicken pens din. So, ito, napakalinis ng farm. May mga coconut trees. May mga livestock din sila. So, yan dulo na yan. Creek na po yan. May malinis na water. Running water. Yan po yung creek. Itong likod, property na papalibutan ng creek. Mayroon ding mga bamboos. So, ito yung creek na may malinis na running water. Well-maintained itong property na to. So, ayan. Napakalinis naman talaga. If you're interested with this farm, feel free to contact me at Viber and Messenger. Napakagandang pag-alagaan ng mga hayop. Gusto mong gumawa ng kubo, ang daming kawayan sa palibot dito sa kabilang side na may creek. So ito na yung bahay. Yan nga, fully fenced. May basketball board din. Yung kitchen and outside kitchen. At ito, pasukin natin yung bahay. May 1 bedroom, fully furnished, dining and kitchen, living room, yan, makikita mo sa labas ang yung farm. Ito naman ang kitchen. May counter bar din. And this is it. So, puntahan natin ang 1 bedroom here. Ay, mukhang hindi pa nagagamit na kama. Ang laking TV. And dito sa CR, yan, kompleto po. Toilet and bath, and meron pang bathtub and shower.